Kaale gabdhay soo raaca maanta vloggan waxay ku saabsan tahay aniga gabadheeda we going to Petco waxaan soo qaadanaynaa shimbirahan yar oo hadla ma ogtahay gabadheeda ka daba dhacday shimbirahan so let's go. I just wanna
A great resource and other types of treats that you can give about 1 to 3 times a week.
Okay.
Of course, you just don't want to give it too often to where they're not eating their food.
Okay.
So millet's a really great one.
So we'll get one of them?
Yeah. Type of food you could really give them.
Okay.
So of course you have different ones. So Healthy Select is our particular brand here at Petco. Supreme is also very popular as well. You also have Katie, Sunseed, Higgins. You have a different variety that you can do for them.
Which one do you recommend?
I would say let's start off with trying to see which one would be the best one. I would say do the Higgins. Higgins is a really great one. You could do the Vita Seed or even the Gourmet blend right down
Higgins, which one is that?
there. Yep, these guys right here.
This one? Okay.
Yeah. And you can always switch it up for them too.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll take the line.
You can I would say we're gonna stick with this one right here.
Okay. The lady at Petco was really nice. She explained everything in details and she was so clear and she helped us a lot. I appreciate her. Thank you guys so much. And my daughter got the bird she wanted. Yeah, share the video, like it.